So welcome to the PropFundz platform. So after you might have registered as a developer, the next thing to do is to fill basic information about your project. So over here, I'm going to be giving you an example. Here I'm filling in the basic information about this project. So the project title, we have Franklin Tower, okay? Then I'm going to be describing it, which is under the description. So we have 35 units of 2 to 4 3-bedroom apartments. So then we go to the type of project. This is a commercial building. Then we have the current project stage. This is yet to commence, so I'm just going to pick yet to commence here. So basically I'm just filling in information about the project. So then we have the tags. It's a luxury building, so I'm just going to fill it up here, as you can see. Then we have apartments, so just filling it up there. And real estate. So this is just basic information about the project that I want investors to invest in. So next thing is the location of the project. So I'm just going to fill in the country, Nigeria. It can be in any country actually, but Nigeria for this my project. And then the state, Lagos State, and the city. Just going to indicate the city right there. Then the address, where it's actually located. So I'm just going to fill that up. Then the zip postal code, the zip or the postal code. So I'm just going to fill it up here. Then go to the next step. So now this next step is about the financial details. So the total project value is estimated for 100 million naira. Then we have the funding goals. The money I'm looking at for investors to invest, that's 40 million naira. So the expected return for the investors is the percentage is 30%, as you can see there. I'm just going to fill it there. Then we have minimum investment amount, meaning the lowest amount an investor can actually invest in this my project is looking at 2 million naira. That's what I want. Then the maximum total number of investors I want in my project is 20. That means it should not be higher than 20 people or 20 investors for this my project. Then we have funding. Then we have the funding deadline. Funding deadline, meaning the time when people can't invest anymore. Then I'm just going to select it here. This is the deadline for the funding of this my project. Then we have estimated completion date, meaning the date at which I've estimated that the project should be completed. So I'm just going to fill it out here. Then we have the liquidation option. So this is the liquidation option. Okay, so I'll just fill it here. Locked until completion. Okay, then we'll go to the next step actually. Then the next step is to upload the photos or videos of the project. So we have I'll just select media type, which is the image. You can either upload pictures or videos of the project. So I'll just go to my album here and look for my gallery actually, and look for a picture of the projects that I want the investors to invest in. So here I'm just I've uploaded that. Then we'll go to project milestone. So what's the title of the milestone? I'm just going to fill it up here. So we have cleaning to DPC level, so that's what I'm going to. Then we have description, from when we clear this land or the site to the German floor, which is the DPC, the dam proof course. So the target dates, I'm just going to fill it up here. The target dates. Then the percentage of the completion, meaning that this DPC, what percent is it going to what percent is it of the total building completion, which is just 8% obviously. Then we'll go to the Yeah, pending actually. So status is actually pending. So yeah, so going to create property. That's the next stage. So now start listing property now. So I've already filled everything up as a developer, and then my property now will be listed among the other projects that are available for investors to invest in. So it's really that simple. It's not really complicated. You can actually just, as a developer, you can just go there once you've registered with us, and then you just fill out details, upload the images of the project,